Welcome back, dear students. Hope you all are fine. We are reading second chapter of science, that is nutrition in animals. In the last video, we have read about milk teeth and permanent teeth, and the second topic that we read is tooth decay. Today we will read about esophagus, that is also known as food pipe, and we will also read about stomach. So let us start our today's lesson. Know that the food is partially digested in our mouth with the help of saliva. What does the saliva do? The saliva breaks the starch into glucose. The saliva breaks starch into glucose. And the partially digested food in our mouth, it is rolled into a ball. It is rolled into a ball with the help of our tongue. And the tongue pushes that ball. The tongue pushes that ball of food into a small tube, a small muscular tube. टंग क्या करती है? फूड को रोल करती है, एंड रोल करने के बाद उसको एक स्मॉल मस्कुलर ट्यूब में पुश कर देती है. एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट स्मॉल मस्कुलर ट्यूब? द नेम ऑफ दैट ट्यूब इज pharynx. That is called pharynx. Pharynx. Now, from the pharynx, the food enters our food pipe, which is also known as esophagus. Our food pipe is also known as esophagus. Now, the muscular tube pharynx, the pharynx connects four things. First is it connects our mouth to the food pipe. It connects our mouth to the food pipe, and it also connects our nasal cavity. It connects our nasal cavity to our windpipe. Now, how the food is prevented? How the food is prevented from entering into our windpipe? How it is prevented into entering into our windpipe? There is a small flap-like structure. Structure that is called epiglottis. That structure is called epiglottis. हमारे फेरिंक्स में एक फ्लैप लाइक ढक्कन के जैसा एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है. जब भी हम फूड को swallow करते हैं, whenever we swallow the food, so that epiglottis closes the windpipe. It closes the windpipe, and the food easily goes into our food pipe. Epiglottis क्या करता है? windpipe को close कर देता है, so that जो हम फूड swallow कर रहे हैं वो easily food pipe में enter कर जाए. You can see the picture also. In that there are two pictures. First one shows the open epiglottis and the second one shows the closed epiglottis. epiglottis. When the epiglottis is closed, it is covering the windpipe. It is covering the windpipe. Now, do you remember that your parents says whenever you are eating food, don't talk or laugh? I think your parents say that. So why does your parents say? It is because if we will talk or laugh while eating, so some of the food particles may enter into our windpipe. They may enter into our windpipe, due to which we get cough. Due to which we get cough or hiccups. So we should not talk or laugh while eating. Do you know how does the food moves in our esophagus? How does the food moves in our esophagus or windpipe? The food moves down in our esophagus by the contraction and relaxation. By the contraction and relaxation of our food pipe. Suppose this is the food pipe. This is the food pipe. And a particle of food is here. There is a particle of food. So what will happen? This part of the food pipe will contract. It will contract. So when it will contract, the food pipe will be like this. It will contract, and when it will contract, it will push the food particle down. It will push the food particle down. And after pushing the food particle down, it will come back to its normal shape. It will come back to its normal shape. Now the food particle will come here. Now this part of the food pipe will contract. It will contract, and when it will contract, it will again push the food down. So in the similar way, the food moves down and reaches our stomach. कैसे मूव करता है फूड? जो हमारा फूड पाइप होता है उसमें क्या होता है? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होता है. सपोज अगर फूड पार्टिकल यहाँ पे है तो क्या होगा? फूड पाइप इस पोजीशन पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होगा फूड पाइप में. व्हेन इट विल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो क्या होगा? वो फूड पार्टिकल को नीचे पुश कर देगा. क्या कर देगा? नीचे पुश कर देगा. देन अगेन इट विल एक्सपेंड. इट विल एक्सपेंड. क्या होगा? वो दोबारा से एक्सपेंड होकर अपनी नॉर्मल पोजीशन में आ जाएगा. नाउ सपोज इफ द फूड पार्टिकल हैज केम हियर आफ्टर पुशिंग. इफ द फूड पार्टिकल हैज केम हियर, तो अब ये वाला पार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा. अब क्या होगा? ये वाला पार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा, और जब ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो अगेन इट विल पुश द फूड पार्टिकल डाउन. सो सिमिलरली क्या होगा? फूड धीरे धीरे ट्रेवल करके हमारे स्टमक में एंटर कर जाएगा. कैन यू सी द मूवमेंट ऑफ द फूड पाइप? इट इज समवॉट लाइक दिस इन द शेप ऑफ अ वेव. सो द वेव लाइक मूवमेंट, द वेव लाइक movement of the esophagus is controlled by the muscles. It is controlled by the muscles, and this movement is known as peristalsis. It is known as peristalsis. From where does the food enters our stomach? Yes, the food enters our stomach from the esophagus. From the esophagus, and our esophagus is also known as food pipe. It is also known as food 5. So when the food enters our stomach, it is digested there. Now the shape of our stomach, the shape of our stomach is similar to the alphabet J. Its shape is similar to the alphabet J, and our stomach is the widest part. It is the widest part of our alimentary canal. It is the widest part of alimentary canal. Now the stomach from one end, the stomach is connected with the esophagus. One end of stomach is connected with esophagus, and the other end of the stomach is connected with small intestine. Other end is connected with small intestine. Is connected with our small intestine. Now in our stomach, 3 things are released. Our stomach releases 3 things, that are mucus and hydrochloric acid. Mucus, hydrochloric acid, and the third thing is an enzyme or digestive juice, that is pepsin. The inner walls of the stomach releases 3 things. What are those 3 things? First is mucus, second is hydrochloric acid, and third one is pepsin. हमारे स्टमक में खाना कहां से आता है? ईसोफेगस से. और स्टमक का शेप कैसा होता है? जे शेप का होता है. एंड स्टमक क्या है? वाइडेस्ट पार्ट है एलिमेंट्री कैनाल का. इट इज द वाइडेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. एंड स्टमक का एक एंड किससे कनेक्टेड होता है? ईसोफेगस से. और जो दूसरा वाला एंड होता है वो किससे कनेक्टेड होता है? वो कनेक्टेड होता है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से. अब जो हमारे स्टमक के अंदर की वॉल्स होती हैं वो क्या करती हैं? 3 थिंग्स रिलीज करती हैं. फर्स्ट इज म्यूकस, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एंड पेप्सिन. नाउ व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ दीज 3 थिंग्स? द वर्क ऑफ म्यूकस इज टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर स्टमक. प्रोटेक्ट आवर स्टमक from acid. The work of mucus is to protect our stomach from acid. If mucus will not be there, then our stomach will get burned due to the acid. Now what is the work of this acid? This acid kills the bacteria. It kills the bacteria which enters along with the food. It kills the bacteria which enters our food, which enters along with the food. Now what is the work of this pepsin? The pepsin is a digestive juice. It is a digestive juice. So what does this pepsin do? It breaks the protein. protein into simple substances, into simple substances, simple substances. Till now we have read about two juices. First is digestive juice, that is pepsin, and one is saliva. The saliva breaks starch into sugar and the pepsin breaks the protein into simple substances which can be absorbed by the body. So stomach में क्या क्या होता है? स्टमक में म्यूकस होता है, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड होता है एंड पेप्सिन होता है. म्यूकस का वर्क क्या है? वो हमारे स्टमक को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, किससे? एसिड से. और इस एसिड का क्या वर्क होता है? वो जो भी हमारे फूड के साथ बैक्टीरिया एंटर करता है उसको किल करता है. एंड व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ दिस पेप्सिन? पेप्सिन क्या करता है? प्रोटीन को ब्रेक करता है, तोड़ता है. किसमें? सिंपल सब्सटेंसेस में. क्यों? तो क्योंकि जिससे हमारी बॉडी उसको इजीली एब्सॉर्ब कर ले. नाउ द फूड दैट इज इन द सेमी लिक्विड स्टेट. नाउ द फूड दैट इज इन सेमी लिक्विड स्टेट, liquid state, it goes into our small intestine. It goes into the small intestine. Because so many juices and liquids are mixed with the food gets into semi-liquid state. It is neither properly a liquid nor a solid, so it is called semi-liquid, half liquid. And this semi-liquid food enters into the small intestine. Now we will read what happens to the food in the small intestine in our next video. Hope you understood till here. In case if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.